Hi everybody, my name is Tom Solid and today I want to reach out to Thomas Frank. I just want to reply because I feel like he was asking directly me. A beautiful question. I actually wondered that somebody would ask. And today is a special day for me because it will be the first time I will answer someone on YouTube. He might don't know that I will answer, but I will just answer anyway. It is Thomas Frank I'm talking about. His channel is also called Thomas Frank and I'm a subscriber of his channel because I really like his videos. He's talking about how to speed read, how to sleep better, how to be more productive and so on. So I really like his tips. So I was following him and I was wondering about one video. It was the video best note-taking device ever, iPad Pro versus paper notebook. So I was curious to watch this one obviously. And in his video, he said this.
Because if you get a brand new iPad Pro out of the box, I don't think there's a default app on the system that lets you write and take notes really nicely with the pencil. Correct me if I'm wrong down in the comments, but I don't think there is one. So you have to go find a third-party app.
Thomas, just for you, I will show you that Apple has actually installed a note-taking app already from scratch, and it's not a bad one. And today I will also show you the iOS 12 update for this app, because they improved it. So if you are a Mac user anyway, you know that there is this Notes app, Apple Notes. And Apple Notes allows you to make notes, obviously. So there was already on the iPhone, on the very first one, I think it was already there. And the beauty about this app is you just go to the start screen, tap once with your Apple Pencil onto the display and a new note will open. And then you can start writing. Okay, it's that awesome, and it's even better because Apple Notes has OCR included. This means it will recognize even this handwriting you see there, it will recognize as start writing. So all your notes become searchable as well. So you just can write anything down, and that's really the good thing, because if somebody talks to you and you want to make a quick note, it's nothing more annoying than, hold on a second, I have to go into my iPad, I have to open my note shelf too, and then I have to open my notebook and so on and so on. So how to work around this, I will show you in another video with the new awesome Siri integration for Note Shelf 2. So Thomas, stay tuned, this will be interesting for you as well as you use Note Shelf 2 as well. Yeah, with the new iOS update, now you finally can change the colors of your pencil. This wasn't possible before. And now you can also change the size of your writing. Well, it is pre-made what they implemented there, but it works and it is really fluent. It is really fun using the pen now in there. So you can make it transparent, and all these pens there you can change. So also for your for the pencil itself. And as you know, with the Apple Pencil, that's what I really like, is that you can shade things. Okay. That's really nice. And I think that's a huge improvement. I know other note-taking apps have this from scratch, like, changing your pen style and loads of colors and so on. But Apple implemented it now with the iOS 12 update as well in here. So I think that's awesome. And as I showed you, you can start quickly a note. You can even go on the top right corner here, press this and the plus button on the bottom. And there you can scan a document, take photo or video, or add a sketch. And then you can just, scribble something down. You even have a ruler. I think this is missing in loads of other note-taking apps as well. You can use a ruler, just put it there, and then you can make perfect lines. And it snaps into 90-degree angles and 45-degree angles. So I think that's really something useful. And then you can turn around and done. That's something I really want to point out. Apple has already an awesome note-taking app out there, implemented in your Apple device. I would appreciate if Apple allows other note-taking apps like NoteShelf, Notability and so on, also these tab thing. So if you're in the screen, in the start screen, and you can just choose the app that should open with a single tap of your Apple Pencil. Even for other apps, maybe you don't do any note-taking with your Apple Pencil, you're using Procreate for example, it would be awesome if you just tap once and any app will open that you want to be open. Okay, so Thomas, I hope this answers your question, and keep going, I keep watching. If you're one of my community, I thank you very much that you tuned in again. If you're new and you liked the video, just give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. We are the Paperless movement, and we welcome everybody who wants to join our journey to go paperless. See you next time.